Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at Walgreens for the sales week of September 20th through September 26th. I did 5 different transactions. I'm going to go ahead and show you each transaction separately and then tell you my final cost after points and using Ibotta. In my first transaction, I picked up these items right here. I picked up 2 of the Tresemme. This week they're priced at 2 for $10. We have a $3 off of 2 manufacturer coupon that came in the Sunday's paper. That brings our total down to $7, and then you get a $3 registry reward for buying 2. I also got back $4 on Ibotta. So after my $3 registry reward and my $4 I got back on Ibotta, it made these 2 shampoo completely free. The Colgate this week are priced at $2.99. Buy 2, get a $2 registry reward. We had a $4 off of 2 digital coupon pop up on the app on Sunday. I clipped it to my card. My total for 2 was $5.98. I used the $4 off of 2, brought my total to $1.98, and then I got a $2 registry reward, making the toothpaste free. The Crest and Oral-B this week are on sale. Select products are on sale for $3. We had a $5 off of 3 digital pop-up in the app on Sunday. So I picked up 3 for $9. And then I used the 5 off of 3, brought my total down to $4. And when you buy 2, you get a $4 registry reward. That made this free for me. So all the products in my first transaction, after all the registry rewards I got back and the $4 I got back on Ibotta, made this transaction completely free. Taking a look at the receipt, there's the Colgate, 2 for $5.98. The Tresemme, 2 for $10. The Oral-B, I picked up 3 at $3 for $9. And then I used a $3 off of 2 paper coupon. And then my $5 digital came off for the Oral-B, and then the $4 for the Colgate came off. My subtotal came out to $12.98. I rolled 10,000 in points, and then I paid the $2.98 plus tax out of pocket. I started off with 21,290 points. I rolled 10,000. I only got back 140 everyday points, but I did get back $9 in registry rewards, 3 for the Tresemme, 2 for the Colgate, and 4 for the Oral-B. In my second transaction, I picked up 2 of the Nexus. This week they are spend 20, get 10,000 points. The mousse at my store was priced at $14.49. I picked up 2 for $28.98. I used this 25% off coupon. These weren't on a sale price, so it took off $7.24. That brought my total for the Nexus to $21.74. The candy bars were on sale for 69 cents each. I wanted to roll the 3 registry rewards from the first transaction into the second transaction. I couldn't find anything cheaper than these, so I just picked these up at the register. I had 2 $5 off of 1 Nexus product manufacturer coupons that came out in the Sunday's paper, and then I rolled the $9 registry rewards with the candy bars. Taking a look at the receipt, there are all the candy bars, the Twix 69 cents, the Mars Snickers 69 cents, the M&Ms for 69 cents, and then the Nexus right here, $28.98 minus the 25% off. Then the 2 $5 manufacturer coupons, and then all the registry rewards that I rolled. My subtotal came out to $481. I did pay this on my debit card because I wanted to get the 10,000 points back for the Nexus. Got back 12,300 points. I got back the 10,000 for the spending 20 on the Nexus, and then I got back the 10 times everyday points for spending over 25, I believe. If not, it's over 20. I'll pop a picture of it in somewhere right here so y'all can see. So I brought my balance back up to 23,000 points. Third transaction, I did the Tresemme and the Crest again because I wanted more registry rewards to roll into the fourth transaction. These Tresemme again, 2 for $10 minus the 3 off of 2, brought it down to $7. And then the Crest, $3 each. I had a $1 off of 1 for each one manufacturer coupons. So $6 for both minus the 2 brought me down to 4, and I got back a $4 registry reward, making the Crest free. Tresemme, after the $3 coupon, brought it down to 7. I got a $3 registry reward, making it $4 for the shampoo or $2 each. I'm still waiting to see if the Ibotta rebate will reset for the Tresemme because I did buy the other bottles and I claimed the rebate, and then 2 days later it popped up again and I was able to claim the other 2 that I bought at CVS. By tomorrow, it'll pop up again and I can claim the $4 back for these 2, making these free also, but I'll just have to wait and see. Taking a look at the receipt for this transaction, there's the 2 Tresemme for $5 each. Then the Oral-B, 2 for $6. Use the $3 manufacturer coupon, and then the $1 off of 1 manufacturer coupons. Brought my subtotal to $11. I wrote 10,000 points, paid the $1 plus the tax. I didn't get back anything except 60 everyday points, but I did get back the $3 register reward for the Tresemme and the $4 for the Crest. In the 4th transaction, I picked up the Renews-It air fresheners and the Downy. This week, the Downy, Tide Simply, and some of the Bounce products are on sale for $2.99, and when you buy 3, you get a $3 register reward. I picked up 3 at $8.97. I didn't have any coupons for these, and then I picked up 6 of the Renews-It. I had a buy 4 get 2 free digital coupon. All of my digitals that I used in all of the transactions before did come off. My buy 4 get 2 didn't come off of this transaction, but customer service did give me back 2,000 points. I only rolled 2 register rewards into this transaction, so it's weird that my digital didn't come off because it had literally every single Renews-It to attach to. There's a Renews-It, 267, 267. That totaled $534. Downy at $8.97 for all 3. Rolled the 2 register rewards. My subtotal should have been $553 had the $178 came off for the 2 free ones. Subtotal was $731. I rolled 5,000 in points. Paid the $231 plus tax out of pocket. I got 90 everyday points. And then I did get a $3 register reward for buying the 3 Downy. I got back $1 on Ibotta for the Renews-It for buying 3. There is a new rebate. For buying 6, you get $2. So I might do that deal again before the end of the sales week. Last transaction that I did was the 3 Roto eye drops and the Neutrogena. My cost for this Roto was $13.99. These 2 were $8.79, and the brow pencil was $8.99. My total for all of these products was $40.56. I used this 25% off. All of these items were regular price, they weren't on sale. So that took off $10.15. I had a $5 off of 1 printable coupon that I printed from coupons.com, I want to say at least a month ago. And then I printed a $5 off of, no, I'm sorry, a $7 off of 2. And then I had a $4.50 off of a Neutrogena product in the Walgreens app. Taking a look at the receipt, there is the Roto eye drop at $8.79. The 25% took off $2.20. The Roto for $8.79, $2.20 for the 25% off. $13.99 took off $3.50. The eyebrow pencil took off $2.25 for a total of $10.15 like I mentioned. And then there's the $7 off of 2, the $5 off of 1, and then the $4.50 digital did come off. And then I rolled a $3 register reward. Is the register reward that I got for buying 3 of the Downy. That brought my subtotal to $10.91. I rolled 10,000 in points. I paid 91 cents plus tax. And then I got back 5,000 points for hitting beauty. And then I want to say to be honest, I don't know where the other 1,000, I don't know where the other 2,000 points came from. It has to be the 10 times everyday booster that I have clipped to my card. But yeah, that's what I'm guessing. So on Ibotta, this is a separate rebate from these two. These 2 are the same rebate. I got back $5 for this one, $3 for this one, $3 for this one, but it also counted these eye drops in this rebate, if that makes sense. So I got back $8 for the dry aid, and then I got back $3 for the pencil for a total of $17 back. So going over everything, my subtotals, I added all of them up. The first one was $2.98, second one was $4.81, third one was $1, fourth one was $2.31, and the fifth one was 91 cents. That brings my subtotals for all of these items to $12.01. I started with 21,290 points and I ended with 7,880. So I took a loss of about 13,000 points, which is equal to $13. So I added the $12 that I spent and the $13 that I lost. That brings me to $25.01 for all of these products. I got back $22 on Ibotta for all of these items. So I took the $25.01 that I spent minus the $22 that I got back. That brings my final subtotal to $3.01 for a total of for 29 items. I miscounted, but I recounted and it's 29. But it's still around 10 cents each, which is really good. Everybody's tax is different, so I didn't add in my tax. So my state tax is 9%, which I think is a little high. Yours might be less, so your complete total, subtotal, and tax should be a little cheaper if you live somewhere where your state tax is cheaper. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. I hope you get to make your way out to Walgreens this week and get some deals. And I'll see you in the next one.